Aloha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another Starbucks refresher for you, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So if you haven't seen them already, definitely make sure to check out my other two Starbucks refresher recipes. I'll link them right up here. I have the Dragon Fruit Mango Lemonade Refresher and the Fuzzy Peach Refresher. But today, we're going to be doing the Strawberry Acai Refresher. So unlike the other two recipes that I used all of the freeze-dried fruit in, like I have the acai right here, this one we're going to be using fresh strawberries, so I can see the difference here. Plus, I think the fresh strawberries are going to be really nice. And in my cup, I have some fresh strawberries right in there with our ice ready to go, and one of them on the edge of the cup. How cute. But anyway, so all you're going to need for this recipe are your strawberries. If you want to use freeze-dried, you can. We're going to need some water. We're going to need some of our vanilla syrup, or you can use honey or another type of sweetener if you prefer that. Our grape juice, again, our white grape juice. Then we have our acai powder, which I got this one from Amazon as well, and our green coffee bean powder. Now this is where our caffeine is going to come from. Now that's what Starbucks uses, or in other drinks sometimes they use, like a green tea or something like that. Now this is such a popular refresher at Starbucks. It's simple, easy, strawberries, acai, you really can't go wrong, and the color is to die for, super bright and vibrant, and just makes you ready for summer, just like I am, like let's go. Now this is definitely one of the healthier refreshers that Starbucks has. It's about 90 calories and has about 20 grams of sugar. And also, if you're into the strawberry, definitely make sure to check out my Starbucks pink drink that I made a little while back. That one was really good too. So now I'm just going to go get my apron because we are using a blender for this one, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your blender, food processor, whatever it is that you have, and you're going to want to take your strawberries and about a cup of water, and you're going to want to blend those together in your blender. Now, with the strawberries, all you're going to want to do is just wash them, take the leaves off, and just cut them in half. Probably should have added the water after. So then we're just going to blend these just until they're nice and smooth. Now, you can strain these if you want, but just to make it more smooth and get rid of any of the seeds, but I'm just going to leave it this way because the NutriBullet does a good job of emulsifying everything, and I don't mind seeds or anything not perfectly smooth, and it's just going to save you some time. Done. Okay, that's all we need the blender for. So now we're just going to put this aside, and then just like in my other video, what we're going to be doing is taking our acai powder and our green coffee bean extract, and we're going to add that to our grape juice, but not all of it, just about half a cup of the grape juice. We're going to be adding in the rest later. So I'm just going to mix this up until everything is well dissolved. It could take a couple minutes. Okay, so now we're just going to take our strawberry mixture. Smells so good. And we're going to add our acai and coffee extract. Then we're going to add in the rest of the grape juice. And then we're just going to mix this up. So you can blend this again if you want. I'm just going to mix her up by hand like this. Look at that color, you guys. Can you take it? So now, my hair is crazy. So now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a pitcher or a big glass or something. So I'm just going to grab a pitcher, and you're going to pour this mixture in. And then you're going to pour in the rest of your water. And then here is where you're going to add your syrup or your honey or whatever kind of sweetener that you guys like. Now this is just going to be your personal preference with how sweet you like it. So let's see, you're just gonna wanna, taste it and see. Mix this up. Okay, so now I'm not adding ice here because I don't like anything to get watered down. So, like in this giant thing. So I'm just gonna add ice to my cup with my strawberries. Let's see, here comes the pour. Oh my god. How good does this look, you guys? I'm so excited to try this. Okay guys, so it's time for my favorite part to try it. Oh. So good, you guys. I love anything berries. I love strawberries. I'll literally just drink what I made before, just blending the strawberries together. So good. Oh, I wonder if I should add this to like my strawberry banana smoothie type thing, if I add in some of this sweetener or if I add in some of the acai powder. I wonder how that would taste, like strawberry banana acai. Ooh, that's a good one to make. I can't wait for you guys to try this one at home. This is perfect for the warmer weather that we're getting. Make a nice big picture of this just to share with everybody. So good. I love that we can make these at home and we don't have to go sit in a drive-thru for 5 hours just for one drink. So delicious. I can't wait for you guys to make this one at home. Definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know which refresher that you liked the best out of all the ones that I made on my channel. I'm really interested to know what you guys think. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, definitely make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. I will be checking. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then just head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.